Medical Device Lean Manufacturing Excellence Essentials. Training powered by Tonex.
Achieving operational excellence in healthcare manufacturing starts here. Every second matters in the medical device industry, especially when patient safety is at stake. In a world driven by precision, compliance, and innovation, manufacturers are under constant pressure to produce high-quality devices faster, more efficiently, and without waste.
Tonex Medical Device Lean Manufacturing Excellence Essentials training equips professionals with a strategic mindset and lean tools necessary to optimize operations, eliminate inefficiencies, and maintain the highest quality standards. Whether you're launching a new device or improving an existing product line, understanding lean principles can be the key to regulatory success and operational agility.
This training blends expert instruction with deep industry knowledge to empower professionals in the medical device space to build a culture of continuous improvement that supports both compliance and customer satisfaction. Through a comprehensive approach, this training covers lean tools, value stream mapping, root cause elimination, process standardization, and quality-driven production improvements. With a strong emphasis on regulatory alignment and risk reduction, attendees walk away with practical frameworks they can immediately implement on the shop floor. Audience. Medical Device Lean Manufacturing Excellence Essentials training by Tonex is suitable for manufacturing engineers and managers, quality assurance and regulatory professionals, process improvement leaders, medical device product managers, compliance officers, and auditors. Also useful for the operations executives in life sciences manufacturing.
Skills you will learn: lean value stream analysis, root cause analysis for medical device manufacturing, process improvement and standard work design, visual management techniques, workflow optimization and lead time reduction, strategic alignment of lean with regulatory requirements.
Course modules. Module 1. Lean Foundations in MedTech. Module 2. Value Stream Mapping, VSM. Module 3. Standard Work and Visual Management. Module 4. Lean Documentation Strategies. Module 5. Kappa and Root Cause Analysis. Module 6. Sustaining Lean Excellence.
Ready to drive lean excellence? Join the Tonex Medical Device Lean Manufacturing Excellence Essentials training and become the catalyst for operational transformation in your organization. Learn from top-tier experts, sharpen your improvement strategy, and help your team thrive in a competitive and regulated environment. Sign up as a group. Request more information. Please visit Tonex website, www.tonex.com.